Good morning children. Today we will learn division on number line. So to divide 10 by 2 on number line, first I need to draw a number line at least till 10 because our first number is 10. Then after we will jump back and we will take steps of 2. Means size of our jump will be 2. You can see we start from 10 and after 10 we will take steps of 2. This is 1, 2. So 2 comes at 8. So we will jump from 10 to 8. Okay? Then again we will take jumps of 2. Why we will take jumps of 2? Because the second number is 2. The second number is 2. So 1, 2 means we will come at 6. So from 8 we will come at 6. And we will keep on jumping till we reach at 0. We will keep on this jumping till we reach at 0. So this after 6 take steps of 2. 1, 2. So we reach at 4. This is 4. Then after 4, take steps of 2. That is 3 and 2. 1, 2. That is we will reach at 2. Then after, take steps of 2. 1, 2. This is 0. Okay. Now, for finding the answer 10 divided by 2, we will count the number of jumps. So let us count the first jump, second jump, third jump and fourth jump and fifth jump. Means in 5 jumps we reach at 0. It means 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Okay. Next question is B part. 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3. So first, draw number line. To divide 18 by 3 on a number line, first I need to draw a number line at least till 18 because our first number is 18. So you should draw. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Okay, so this is the number line which is drawn till 18 and we are dividing. So we will start from 18. 18. So our starting point is 18. Then after second number is 3. Means the size of jump we will take 3 and we will jumps at the steps of 3. Okay. So from 18 take the jumps of 3. 1, 2, 3. We reach at 15. So we will jump from 18 to 15. Then after again we will take steps of 3 and we will jump at the size of 3. That means after 15, 1, 2, 3. So this is 12. We will jump from 15 to 12. Then again 1, 2, 3. This is 9. We will jump from 12 to 9. Then again 1, 2, 3. We will reach at 6. So we will jump from 9 to 6. Then 1, 2, 3. This is 3. Okay. Then after we is equal to 6. Okay, this is very easy to divide a number line. We will see the first number is 18. We will draw a line of a number line at least till 18. Then we will start from 18 and then after we will take steps of 3. The second number is 3, so we will take steps of 3. So after 18, 1, 2, 3, we will reach at 15. Again we will take steps of 3. We will reach at 12. Again we will take steps of 3. We will reach at 9. Again we will take steps of 3. We will reach at 6. Again we will take steps of 3. We will reach at 3. And again we will take steps of 3 and we will reach at 0. Okay. So like this we will divide our number line. Next. So the important points for dividing our number line is now. You should remember the important points. Important points for dividing. Then important points for dividing on number line. The first point is the starting point of the jump. The starting point, the starting point of the jump, you have to, suppose you have to divide 8 by 2 is equal to what? So the starting point will be 8. Okay? Starting point of the jump, you have to clear the starting point is 8. So you will draw a number line at least till 8. Okay? And you will start jumping back from 8. Second point is the size of each jump. The size of each jump. So in 8 divided by 2, the size of each jump will be 2. The second number will decide the size of each jump. And the third point is the jumps must end at 0. The jumps must end at 0. Means when you are jumping on the number line and you are dividing, then your jump must be end at 0. If you end your jump before 0, you will get the incorrect answer. So these 3 points you should keep in mind for dividing on number line. Okay, the first starting point of the jump should be from the first number, and size of jumps should be equal to the second number, and you must end the jump at 0. Next question. Next, now the C part is 24 divided by 4. 24 This is a number line. Start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay? You can match 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So this is a number line. So the starting point for dividing 24 by 4, the starting point will be 24. This. And what will be the size of jump? 4. So after 24, let us count 4 steps. 1, you hear it? I count from 23. After 24, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So from 24, we reach at 20. Then after 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 16. Then after 1, 2, 3, 4. After 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We reach at 8. Now 12 to 8. We are jumping from 24 to 0. Then after 1, 2, 3, 4, we reach at 4. Then after 1, 2, 3, 4, we reach at 0. Now, in how many jumps you reached at 0? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 6 jumps you reached at 0. It means 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. And 6 is the answer. Okay, next question is Next question is 30. D. 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5. So draw the number line. Start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You know the first number is 30, so at least you will write the numbers on number line till 30. Okay? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. We will take less gap. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Okay? Then we start from 30 and we'll take jumps of 5. Means size of jump will be 5. So from 30, this is 30. After 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 10. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 0. Now you should count in how many jumps you reach at 0. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So the answer will we will get by the number of jumps. This is 6. Okay. Now you do by yourself E part. This is for you. Divide 8 by 2 on the number line and get the answer. F part is divide 10 by 5 on the number line by yourself. Okay. Now